The Minna Anthony Common Nature Center is celebrating its 50th anniversary. Dedicated in 1969, the founders of the Nature Center were truly ahead of their time. They envisioned an island sanctuary nestled between the granite cliffs of the Narrows and the steady current of the St. Lawrence River that could educate the next generation of nature lovers. For 50 years, the Nature Center has given year-round hands-on experiences. Cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, Voyager canoe rides, kayaking, guided hikes, and crafting. Last year, we had over 36,000 visitors, providing over 350 programs and led over 40 school field trips. Come celebrate with us at the Minna Anthony Common Nature Center.